5-year project, and a couple-year gap.
So we're in front of Paley Park, which was opened in 1967 and designed by Robert Zion and named after William Paley, who was a big chairman at CBS, who basically turned CBS into a behemoth of a corporation. The park was dedicated to Paley's father, and this is basically a little tiny awesome park that's on 53rd Street between 5th Avenue and Madison Avenue in Manhattan. And it's literally in this tiny little like enclave. And I'm here in February, and as you can see behind me, the waterfall is like still going. You can stop here, sit down, eat some food, get a drink, and it's really pretty sweet. So let's check it out. So as you can see, the park is basically a privately owned public space, which means that although it's owned by a private organization, which I believe is in the Paley family, or the Samuel Paley Foundation, anyone from the public can come and check it out, apparently until 8 p.m. And it's super easy to get to. You can just stop at the 5th Avenue 53rd Street station, which is on both the E line and the M line. So all of this being said, I have no idea how good the food is here, so if you want it, you're gonna have to come here yourself to try it out. So hope you liked the video, even though it was a short one. See you in the next one.